What's up, guys? Josh from Blackout Tinting, and I'm holding the brand new GoPro Hero 9. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you what you get. This just came out this morning. We just picked it up a couple of minutes ago. Got a nice case, of course. Packaged nice. What's cool about this battery, it's supposed to be about 30% more capacity, so a lot longer film time than the GoPro 8 had. Our charging cable and the mount, basically exactly like all of the other GoPros, which is cool, so all of your accessories and all that stuff is interchangeable like GoPro likes to do. And of course we've got the actual camera, similar size, if not exactly the same as the 8, I think. We've got a screen on the front now. This is different. I believe this is a color screen, so when you're doing like selfie mode or vlogging style stuff, you're gonna be able to see what's going on, which is very cool. And of course your screen on the back. So guys, stay tuned. We're about to take this thing out on the road and play around with the Hellcat a little bit and see what we can film.
This is not what's in the shop. This is something else.
What is it?
This is GoPro unboxing and first test.
First test for you.